Hey, what up, y'all? This your boy J Smith Fit, back with another fit tip for you. All right, so my boy Aaron Schulman, he says, how can an old guy with fucked up joints still get some cardio in and maintain some kind of post-40 fitness? Alternatives to the treadmill cardio machines, the Stairmaster, elliptical. So I got four letters for you, Aaron. HIIT, right? So that's high intensity interval training. So basically what that is you want to do something that's really fast, really hard for about 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. Some people even go for a minute and then take a minute off. So what I do is with my clients personally, I'll have them do 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 20 seconds on. So that's a minute, in total duration, but they get that little 20-second break. So, and then as we get better at it, it'll be 25 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 25 seconds on, something like that. So what I like to use for this, and this is actually a good question because I've had a client in the past who had a bad knee and she couldn't even work out standing up. So everything we did was on the floor, or it was on a chair, or on a stability ball. But battle ropes, man, battle ropes are huge. Like that will get your heart rate going. You know what I mean? If you never did a battle rope session, and I actually got an older video on battle rope exercises that you guys can go check out. I'll put the link below. But battle ropes, another one that you can do are ball slams, right? Another thing that you can do are kettlebell hip thrusts. So those are three things that I really like to use for my clients who they have bad knees or bad hips. They can't have a lot of pounding on their joints, right? So it's gonna be a little bit better for them. Let me scoot up a little bit, get a little closer. But yeah, man, so just to recap, how can an old guy with fucked up joints still get some kind of cardio in and maintain some kind of post-40 fitness? And what are some alternatives to traditional cardio machines? So there we go. We got battle ropes. First off, high intensity interval training, right? HIIT cardio. And with that, we got battle ropes, ball slams, and kettlebell hip thrusts. Now, these are just a few different examples. I'm sure there's more out there, but those are just three examples of the things that I personally have used for my clients with bad knees, bad hips, who can't really jump a lot. So I hope that helps, Aaron. And if you guys don't remember anything from this video, remember these three things, all right? There's power and persistence. If you're persistent, you'll get it. If you're consistent, you'll keep it. Out.